It's been a highly emotional day here in Woodstock, where Elizabeth Wettlaufer, the disgraced nurse who worked in long-term care homes, pled guilty to 14 charges, including 8 counts of first-degree murder. I'd say it was a grueling day as well. We heard today the facts in the case, how she injected people with insulin, and because she felt some sort of surge inside of her that told her that she had to do it. She thought God was telling her to kill these people. She remained pretty quiet through the entire ordeal today. I would call it an ordeal because of the family members who were here. We spent the afternoon watching a videotape of her and her confession to the Woodstock police. It was lots of words to describe it. Callous, cavalier, nonchalant, all of those things. And in it, she talked about how she killed these people, why she killed these people, and how she told people but never went to the police. There was never anything that happened that anyone would know that this happened to these elderly folks, all of whom had medical conditions, many of them with dementia, some of whom she killed because she didn't like them, some she did like and said she felt it was their time. We talked to family members today. There were lots of them in the courtroom, and here's how some of them had to say.
What was it like when you heard what they said about your father and what Wettlaufer did to him?
It tore me apart. Tore me apart to hear how she killed my dad. Can you believe this? And she's sitting there, no expression on her face, had everything planned out. She was even on the internet looking about jail, what it would be like to be in jail, because she knows she had this whole thing planned out. I mean, I'm telling you, it's something I wouldn't want on my worst enemy. That's why I made my shirt, because my father's over my heart right here. That's where he's gonna stay.
She is really nothing that really stands out. She blends in, and the frightening thing about it is that when you look at her, you don't think monster, and that's what she is. She's a monster. No, she's not remorseful at all. The last time we were here, there's a group of us that have been here from the very beginning. Her last live appearance here, she sat in the prisoner's box and she literally stared us down. Like, she just looked at us like we were nothing. So, and she was smiling and waving at people today when she left the courtroom. So yeah, there's no remorse there.
She committed a cardinal sin, and I hope that her conscience becomes her prison. I really do, and I hope to God in prison that I hope that her conscience just destroys her and eats her alive, which I know it probably won't, because she doesn't have any goddamn emotions.
Wettlaufer comes back to Woodstock on June 26th and possibly June 27th. At that time, we'll have victim impact statements, and there'll be a pre-sentence report to go through. She is facing a term of imprisonment of life, which is the mandatory minimum in first-degree murder. The proposal is it will be no parole for 25 and concurrent sentences on 6 other charges, including 4 of attempted murder and 2 of aggravated assault. For the London Free Press, I'm Jane Sims.